Dear user, thank you for choosing MOVA. In this video, we will provide detailed instructions on how to properly use the MOVA S70 Roller robot vacuum. First, let's open the box and remove all the accessories. Preparation. Choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 5 centimeters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Install the base station ramp extension plate. Remove the protective strip from the robot, the protective film from the charging contacts, and the labels from the base station cleaning tray. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Dock the robot.
Starts charging.
A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started. Remove the clean water tank marked with a blue droplet from the base station and fill it with an appropriate amount of room temperature tap water. Reinstall the clean water tank into the base station. Connecting to the app. Take out the robot and remove the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search MOVA Home in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the MOVA Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. Register using your mobile number or email address. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by MOVA. Set password for your account. You can register, log in with phone, email, or MOVA ID. If your phone is linked to social media, use the one-click login at the bottom. After logging in, add your robot to the device list. Remove the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the home page to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface. On app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the robot is powered on, check the box, and tap Next. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
And when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next. Click the button and join the MOVA Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot MOVA Vacuum and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep your phone and robot close to the router while waiting for connection confirmation. A solid Wi-Fi light on the robot indicates a successful connection. Tap Me in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. Return to the previous menu and go to General. Here, you can change the app's language and region. First time use, map setup. Return to the home page and tap Enter. The app will automatically download the plugin for your device model. Please ensure that the latest plugin has been downloaded and installed. Once the download is complete, open the plugin. Several feature introduction screens will pop up automatically. You can select options based on your needs or tap Skip. Tap the icon in the upper right corner to access settings. Go to Language and Volume to switch languages and adjust the volume. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the floor area, clear away clutter, and move any items that are easily knocked over or breakable. You can select Start Fast Mapping or begin a full house cleaning session to create a map. In fast mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. In all cleaning mode, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. Once mapping is complete, the map recognized by the device will be automatically saved. You can further edit the map. In map editing, you can add special areas such as furniture, no-go zones/virtual walls, thresholds/ramps, and carpets to the map recognized by the device. Click Room Partition to divide, merge, or edit room names. While editing, you can zoom in and drag the map. After setting up special areas, remember to click the heavy check mark in the bottom right corner to save. Return to the map page. If you have placed furniture on the map, you must click the furniture icon in Map Display to view and edit the furniture layout. As mentioned earlier regarding room partitioning, you can access Cleaning Order in Map Editing and drag the area numbers to customize the robot's cleaning sequence. If your home has multiple floors, tap Multi-Floor Map Management to add maps for each floor. The robot can create up to 4 floor maps. Each floor requires its own separate map. Move the robot to the designated floor, tap Create a new map, and start cleaning or use Quick Map Creation. After the robot creates a map for the current floor, the new map will be saved in Multi-Floor Map Management. Here, you can rename or delete the map, or manually apply a map for a specific floor. After successfully creating a map for a specific floor, we recommend changing the map switching setting to Intelligent Recognition. When cleaning is needed, simply move the robot to the designated floor. It will automatically recognize and switch to the current map, and return to the starting point after completing the cleaning task. If the mop needs washing mid-clean, manually return the robot to the base. Place it back within 15 minutes to resume. First-time use, cleaning settings. Return to the robot's home screen and tap the custom icon to adjust the cleaning mode, suction power, mop wetness, mop washing frequency, and route. These settings determine how the robot performs its cleaning tasks. Tap to enter Clean Genius, which will activate the fully automatic enhanced cleaning mode. In this mode, the cleaning task will consume more water and take longer to complete. Return to the robot's home screen and tap Dock at the bottom. Here, you can view the status of each module on dock functions. Go to the dock settings page. You can edit mop washing settings, mop drying settings, auto empty settings. These settings determine how the dock performs self-cleaning on the robot. Return to the map main interface and tap the icon in the top right corner to access the robot's full feature menu settings page. Go to Scheduled Cleaning to add scheduled tasks, including start times and the number of runs. Clean History displays the robot's most recent duration, as well as the cumulative total area and cycles. Go to Carpet Cleaning Settings to configure carpet cleaning modes as needed. If there are many carpets in your home, or if you want to prioritize cleaning the carpets, you can turn on Clean Carpets first. In the All section, you can configure a range of carpet cleaning details, such as the carpet cleaning mode and carpet vacuum settings. For example, when the robot encounters a carpeted area, you can choose Vacuum Avoid Ignore and Crossing Carpet. In the Single Carpet section, you can select a specific carpet area on the map to configure a series of cleaning mode settings. Go to Floor Cleaning Settings to enable Collision Avoidance Mode. You can also enable Cleaning Along the Floor. With this feature, you can select specific areas on the map and specify the floor material and direction of the floor pattern to minimizing scraping against floor seams. Go to Edge and Corner Cleaning Settings to enable AI-driven Side Reach and AI-driven Mop Extend modes, and adjust the extension frequency. Enter Pet Surrounding Cleaning and activate Strategic Cleaning of Pet's surrounding area. The robot will perform enhanced cleaning around the pet supplies you have added on the map, and will be more careful to keep a safe distance from your pet. Go to More Functions, where you can set up an app shortcut on your home screen by clicking Add Home Screen Shortcut, configure Do Not Disturb mode and Child Lock, and more. Return to the Features menu. Go to Battery to enable off-peak charging or set a charging limit, which will help preserve battery life. Go to Accessory Usage in Settings to view the remaining lifespan of the various accessories in the robot. Go to Help to view the product's digital manual, FAQs, and contact information for online customer service. Go to Firmware Update to ensure your robot vacuum is updated to the latest firmware version, so you can receive the latest updates and bug fixes. Additionally, during continued use, certain modules of the robot and the base station require regular maintenance. The side brush, main brush, roller mop, and dust box filter can all be removed, rinsed, dried, and reattached. For a better cleaning experience, we recommend periodically removing and cleaning the robot wastewater tank and the base station washboard. as well as regularly wiping the robot sensors and gently tapping the noise-reducing filter. The above covers the initial setup instructions for the MOVA S70 Roller.